Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable subtitles on the Goat Simulator 3 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Goat Simulator 3 on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to turn on or turn off subtitles, then in order to do this, click on the settings option from the home page. Now you will be taken into the general menu. From here, just click on accessibility at the top, and now you will see various different options, including subtitles at the bottom. Just click on the drop-down toggle, and by default it is set to off. You can either set the dialogue mode or the closed captions option in order to enable the subtitle. Now underneath you also have the size of the subtitle that you can define. You can also enable or disable the background for the subtitles that will be shown within the game. After making your changes, just go back and it will all be saved. And now you can start enjoying your game with your subtitles enabled right away. Now if at any point you wish to turn off the subtitles or change the size and the subtitle mode, then once again you may go back to accessibility and then choose to turn it off or change from dialogue or closed caption mode. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable subtitles on the Goat Simulator 3 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.